If you want to make real money today, you have to invest in startup companies before they go public, because the private companies are going public much later. The smart investor wants to find a way to get into these exciting dynamic growth stories while they're still private. OurCrowd is enabling hundreds of thousands of investors to access the exciting venture capital asset class.
It's traditionally very hard for accredited investors and even family offices to invest in individual startup investment opportunities. OurCrowd has built a global fintech platform that with a few clicks, you can invest in individual startup investment opportunities for as little as $10,000. Historically, the VC asset class has outperformed the public markets, and it's an asset class that's actually really difficult to access before OurCrowd.
Democratization for us is about providing a pooling of investors writing smaller checks without having to compromise on deal quality. Our investments allow our clients to invest side by side with the world's most respected VC funds and angel investors like Elon Musk and Richard Branson.
Our crowd general investment strategy is to invest in disruptive technologies driven by artificial intelligence and machine learning. We really look for impactful, deep technology to invest in.
We like companies that have defensible moats with really proprietary technology which can help them own a market.
What's unique about OurCrowd is that they not only give the money, they actually create relationships with business opportunities, business development, and local connections.
We offer a new investment opportunity at least once a week. We create investment materials that we place on the platform so you're able to review each opportunity on your own time. We also have an investor briefing with the CEO so you could speak to him or her directly and ask the questions that you want to know. OurCrowd will then invest its own money into every single investment you're seeing on the platform. So we're investing alongside you and we have skin in the game.
We have sold OurCrowd companies to a host of multinationals, whether it's BriefCam that was sold to Canon, Replay, which was sold to Intel, CyberX sold to Microsoft, and Vertex, which was sold to Nike.
We've had 60 exits so far, and some of our investors have made many times their money. OurCrowd has built a community of over 200,000 individuals across 180 countries. Entrepreneurs, investors, multinationals, VCs, and once a year, we have a global investor summit here in Jerusalem where all of these individuals come together. That's when you really feel the energy.
Welcome to the OurCrowd Global Investor Summit.
A lot of opportunity to meet people which we otherwise won't be able to meet.
Participants from all over the world, from the UK, from Japan.
Absolutely impressed by the caliber of the portfolio. Great technologies, some of them you won't see normally in the daily course of life.
You know, if I could imagine what Startup Nation actually looks and feels like, this is it.
We use this incredible group of hundreds of thousands of smart investors as a force multiplier.
I believe the impact revolution will mark the 21st century in the way that the tech revolution did.
Our investors want to make money, but they also want to do good. We call that impact investing. We have investment opportunities that are curing diseases, easing poverty, reducing hunger, and addressing climate change. We have many investments that will leave the world in a much better place.
Whether it's in energy or food, or in cybersecurity, or everything having to do with medical improvement, we give people the ability to literally back world-changing technologies.
We created a fund with OurCrowd here in Israel to say, let's make sure we're investing in these breakthrough health technologies that can make a difference for the future.
Whether it's cancer-busting alpha radiation technology, cybersecurity, whether it's nefarious attack at a government level, or whether it's all the way down to attacking hospital respirator machines, how do we ensure that connected devices are all protected? Making a difference in these areas is something that's very meaningful for our business.
The innovation wave, which is changing all of our lives, is going to be led by entrepreneurs who are backed by smart money and smart investors. OurCrowd is where those entrepreneurs meet the smart money on a global basis, where they can work together to save the world.